One type of ring repair that is necessary for a ring that has been worn thin is reshanking. So materials you will need for this video are a ring with a thin shank, soldering equipment, saving solution, wire stock to match your ring, a saw, ruler, pliers, rubber mallet, easy or repair solder, a ring mandrel, and an ultrasonic. You can see that the shank is very thin, and it's so thin that it has cracked down the solder seam. And now I will saw through the areas that I have marked off. Piece of shank that I have removed, I will straighten it with pliers. The new stock should be thicker and wider than the piece that is being replaced. And I'm going to anneal this wire stock and pickle it before soldering it to the new shank. I will start to round the new shank by using pliers, a ring shank bender, and my ring mandrel. And now we are ready to set up for soldering. The water will insulate the stones and protect them from burning. Check the alignment to make sure everything is straight and lined up before proceeding to the next solder joint. I like to slide it down and gently tap the ring with my rubber mallet. Recreate this shape and style. Then once the shape is achieved, it's time to start cleaning it up with rubber wheels and sanding sticks. As long as the ring is super clean and the stones, if applicable, are insulated, a successful shank replacement is well within reach.